Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video we are going to talk about the Teamviewer, which is actually used to access the desktop or laptop from your Android or vice versa. Okay, without delay, let's get started. So first we are going to download and install the Teamviewer. So let's open this one. So Teamviewer. So we're gonna go to the official website of the TeamViewer. Okay, this is the official website of the TeamViewer from where you can download the TeamViewer with freely. I have already downloaded that on my laptop, so I'm not gonna download it once again. All right, so let me go to the download. So okay, let me open this. Okay guys, first before installation of the TeamViewer, some of the question will be asked from the TeamViewer. Okay, that is the first one, as how do you want to proceed. I will just click on the default installation as it is. Okay, if we just go to the next question, it's how do you want to use a TeamViewer. Okay, I'll just select the second one, that is personal non-commercial use. Okay, accept this one. So guys, TeamViewer is installed on my laptop. So look guys, it opened itself. Okay, and meanwhile another window open, just as the tutorial on the short how to use a TeamViewer. Okay, we don't need any of this, just close this. Okay, and okay, this is the allow remote control. Okay, this is what we want. Allow remote control, your ID and the password. This is all what we want, just to access this laptop from Android. All right, and the next step is that we're gonna download a TeamViewer for remote control on our Android or the smartphone. Let's go to the Play Store, and from here we want TeamViewer for remote control. Let's go there. And okay guys, TeamViewer for the remote control, that is already installed on my Android phone. I'll open from here. Okay, now guys, it will just ask for the remote control ID password, the partner ID. On that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put ID as 1054884 452, the same password that is on the TeamViewer, that is on the your laptop PC. Click here. On the second point, it will ask for the password. We even have the password. Okay, that is FVX174. okay, after this interface will open how to use that the particular desktop or the laptop PC, anything. Okay, I don't want to go with it, you can go with it. All right guys, this is the basic interface that we will get after adding the password and the ID. All right, so let's do some of the okay, let's open the computer. Okay, the computer open, and then let's cancel this one. And let's go to the browser. Open this browser. Let's on the bottom side you will find the keyboard YouTube dot. Okay, let's click here. Okay, look guys, everything open. it's a little bit late on the Android, okay, but that not that much, but in 1 or 2 seconds late. First the whatever open on the computer, and then it open on the Android phone. Okay guys, I close this. On the upper side you will find lots of option of the keyboard and the control, alt, window, everything. So guys, this is all about the Teamviewer. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, take care, bye bye.